Okay, here we go. Roll the button. Roller's in. So look at this crazy ass imprint it leaves. But look what it also did. It showed the high spot and the low spot because it was a roll. Because you couldn't get to it. So you slowly work your way over. And that's pushed down the stone and exposed the cream. And so it's head pressure. Since this has gotten on this pretty wet, you notice this roller tamper has 2 rollers on it. Now, if your concrete was setting up pretty hard, you were outside in the sun, you might buy the roller tamper with a single head. And so this load would be more concentrated, helping you with getting the impression you want. The stone set and the mortar coming up, the cream as we call it, right? So you choose. Okay, here's one direction on it. No stones exposed. Just all clean. This got high early, you're big, so you know I'm on the clock. So it's just for floor practice. Yeah. And now, oops. So now just put that over there. I'll grab this guy. She's still ready. Obviously down the low spot. So now you can identify the low spots also. Right now, you can identify them. Now, it still gets more leveling done, but it's just showing you how fast and simple the system works.
One, 2, 3, 4 over there.
There's a bigger version of it. See, that small version. It's not as good as your big version. It's got more weight.
That's the one thing that sucks with in short loads.
Yeah.
The water meters never read right on a short load. Because it's under pressure, so say it calls for 30 gallons, it opens and closes.
Too
By the
fast.
time it closes, there's
You already got
50 gallons in there.
Gotcha. How about the when you do the short loads on like say 3 yards? Is it really, can they make a mistake on the math of the sand, etc.? Can it come up to like 2.7 yards sometimes by mistake? Or you guys gotta wait?
I guess anything's possible.
Yeah.
It's all computers, so.
Yeah, okay.
But same thing, usually it's over.
Usually it's over?
Because everything's by the ton, so by the time the gates open and close, more material gets through than what's closed.
Gotcha. I see it. Okay, guys, this is it's got a high early mix in this mix, so it's setting fast. I mean, it's got nice percentage, and the mix was drying off pretty damn fast. The temperature, so this is already getting a steel trowel on it. What else we got to say about it? As you can see, that steel trowel's on a pole. Kind of nice, right? They call them everything from, California trowels, everything, Fresnos. They got all types of names. Different people call their different trowels, different manufacturers. It's just overlapping. Just checking for level. I don't recall, because I don't have any more video, whether I go over this one more time with a straight edge to really make sure this is flat. These people, were really critical about this thing being flat because they're going to put a floor over top of it. Not so much a garage as I understand it. And that's why they also wanted 2 pours, not 1. They wanted to be able to inspect between pours, and it's going to be a flat floor. It's not, super flat. It's still only 1/8 of an inch, and I don't know, about 15 feet.
In the neighborhood.